Thanks for tuning in today, movers. Today we'll be talking about the Kettlebell Pendulum step. We're going to start by simply letting the kettlebell swing. We're not going to stand rigid. We're actually going to get a counter rotation of the rib cage as we swing, so it's as if we're reaching through and reaching behind us. We're not going to muscle the kettlebell. We're actually just going to let it fall and let the motion lead the movement. We're going to have to wait for the weight. As it is in front of you and begins to fall, you will step up to the platform. 1, 2, 1, 2. Next step is from the platform. You will be driving up as it is behind you to pull it through. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we're going to be stepping off with the same motion, with it behind you. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we'll go into the full motion. This will be a 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to wrap this up. And just as a reminder, we have an introductory $150 a month special going on right now, so don't forget to sign up.